guys, welcome back. This is just a quick kind of ramble. Some of the things over the last couple of years of just being self-sufficient, self-reliant, building those resilience into your lifestyle. It's kind of where this started with the silver, just adding, $10 a day into a silver stack, being able to gain new skills in everything that we do, and just building upon that. I mean, if we learn a new skill every month, that gives us 12 skills, and then we're going to end up having maybe one that we teach. New skills, we all go through YouTube of looking for what we want to do if we're doing a new project. It's just been great. Where this channel kind of started was a DIY channel, adding a little bit from time to time of different projects I've done throughout the years. I've tried to focus a little bit on some playlists to be able to add the silver content into it, add in some just basic DIY, also build in some different skill sets there, some homestead stuff, some canning, some preservation, some skills, home projects. So just kind of working through all that stuff there. Again, this video is more so just to challenge everybody to take on a new skill, learn something new, be more resilient, build resiliency back in America, and be able to not have to call a man on every single thing that we do, and just really be ourselves and be for day to day, but also try to build a legacy and be able to build resilience into your family, into your kids, so that they can make lasting memories and also set apart themselves from the crowd. In today's age, I mean, everybody is about the here and now. They're buying things on credit. They're living way outside their means. They spend every dollar they get. They're living paycheck to paycheck, and being able to try to get one leg up, get out of the rat race, figure out what's going on in life, and make and set your own path is what we should be doing. I mean, building that dream, being an entrepreneur, starting from a hobby, something that makes sense to you, putting a little bit of money aside, building on that, starting to end up getting more customers, moving forward, and being able to build that legacy and that dream that's going to set you and your family apart, and be able to build something that is lasting and something that's set apart, that you don't have to do the 9-to-5 but for somebody else, that you can actually create your own income, create your own wealth, and build on what you actually dream of doing. Being an entrepreneur isn't easy. Every single day that you wake up, you are self-driven, or you need to be self-driven to be able to produce what you need to produce, and you need to be 10 times harder on yourself until you get to that point where you're stable, and then you still need to be hard on yourself to be able to continue that growth, continue what's going on, and just keep pushing yourself, having support lines of your friends and your family and your spouse to be able to do that, and just make every day count, because you need to produce every single day to be able to build yourself on a line forward. Again, you're either moving forward or you're moving backwards every day. So TikTok, you need to be getting something done to be able to make sure that you're moving yourself forward. As an entrepreneur, some days you are the kingpin of the operation. Other days you are the dishwasher of the organization. Sometimes you're the garbage man of the operation, and you need to be every role within the kitchen. You need to be the customer service, you need to be the mentor, you need to be the kingpin, you need to be the dishwasher, you need to be every position to make that empire happen and to continue building on that. I mean, as a motivation, you need to be getting shit done every single day. You need to be pushing forward. You need to be hard on yourself. You need to be hard on the people around you. Your support lines are just as much as mentors to you as you are mentors to them. And every day, just pushing everybody within your network, your circle.